Hi, I'm Adam, Technical and Service Trainer at Honda Australia, and I'm here to explain Honda Tailored Servicing. Your Honda is unique, so when it comes to caring for your Honda, treating it like any other just doesn't make sense. Honda Tailored Servicing is tailored completely to you and your car. It is designed to maximise the reliability and health of your Honda to protect your investment. Our services are split into two important areas: base and adaptive. The base service covers a wide range of regular maintenance items and checks, such as replacing the engine oil, checking fluid levels, testing light operation, and much more. Because everyone's driving style is different, adaptive service requirements are personalised to meet the individual needs of your Honda. It ensures that items are only replaced when it's needed, not at every service. Adaptive items are factory-required replacement items that are only replaced at specific time or kilometre milestones. So, if you perform a lot of long-distance driving, we'll make sure the right items are replaced. And if you're not clocking up the high kilometres, we won't replace those items until it reaches that milestone. It's about giving your car what it needs to maintain safety and reliability, nothing more. During Honda's tailored service, we use genuine parts and oil to make sure your Honda stays a Honda. Importantly, Honda's genuine parts are covered by Honda's national parts warranty. Non-genuine parts are not. To find out more, search Honda Tailored Servicing.